All right, this is a tool room lathe, just to show you how much time it has. It has no time on it. Where is it?
Hold on.
This thing is, when I say brand new, it's absolutely brand new. 19 hours, 44 minutes. Literally no time on this machine at all. Okay, I'm recording now so you can see. And then come over here.
Yeah, here on this side if you want. Let me see.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. All right. And that's the TL2. And you can see how clean the machine is. We clean everything perfect.